Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a what is your spirit animal? What is your spirit animal quiz? So let's start. Alright, let's start this game. Alright, what is your favorite color? Red includes magenta, purple includes indigo, etc. Okay, yeah, let's see. Okay, so purple. What is your favorite genre of music? Pop or electronic? I hate music, all the emo punk. Okay, guys, I don't even know if let's just what. None of this makes sense. This rock? I don't know. What is your sun sign? What does that even mean? Oh. Oh, yeah, I'm Leo. If you don't know what that is, that means lion. Favorite school subject? Devin, all the way, guys, all the way. Which of these? Love, power, wealth, fame, knowledge, and peace. Either love or knowledge. So I'm just going to say love. Favorite season? Probably early summer. That's when summer break starts. And that's when my birthday is. Are you a dog or a cat person? Guys, I've only had dogs twice. One of them was for an hour, one of them was for a week. And I was at my friend's house, and I have 2 cats and 2 fish, so I'll just say cat then, just because I don't have dogs. If you could only have one power out of the following, which would it be? Super strength, healing, infinite knowledge, I don't know what that is. Flight, invisibility, mind control, immortality. Probably mind control, man. What form of government do you think is the best? Okay, guys, I'm just a kid. How am I supposed to know? I don't know. Outdoors or indoor? Outdoors all the way, guys. Which of these do you find yourself doing the most in your downtime? Reading nonfiction, reading fiction, TV, video games, daydreaming, socially lies. What the? Drugs, alcohol? Probably socializing. I love social. Okay, how are you with punctuality? I don't know. I'm always early. I'm on time, never early. Try my best, usually a bit late. Always late. Deadlines, screw that. On time, only when I care. Always end my sentences with periods. I'm always... Okay, I'll just say I try my best. Calculating results. Oh my gosh! Guys! Oh my gosh! Guys! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! A phoenix. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And if you don't know why I'm like so surprised by that, is because, oh my gosh, if you if you didn't know, if you could choose any animal, even make-believe animals, like if you couldn't choose make-believe animals as your favorite animal, I would choose a fox, right? But if we could choose make-believe animals, oh my gosh. My favorite animal would be a phoenix. I don't know how, but this app knows. You are more well known for your fury, passion, and ability to stand strong in face of great adversity. No matter how many times you are knocked down, you will get back up. That is what it means to be a phoenix. However, a fire can be both frightening and beautiful. You are capable of burning down everyone in your way or providing them with light hope. You are a very compassionate but tend to have a short fuse. You can switch between an ember and blazing hellscape in a matter of seconds. This intensity can be off-putting to people, often being labeled bipolar. Change is a major part of who you are, and you as a being are always changing, evolving, and thus your environment is ever changing as well. You're not one of the long-term ordeals. Oh my gosh, guys. This got me. Got me right away. Got me. Alright. Alright, now we're going to do one more. So this next one is, which animal do you see like? Can you see the giraffe? What do you think? Okay, guys. Guys, you want to see the giraffe? It's on the right. It's not that thing right in front. Like, go to the middle and then just look to the right and then right up there. Yes, I found it. That was easy as heck. Which animal can be seen in this picture? Let me guess, slender? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a wolf. It's a wolf. The wolf is right there. It's on the left behind one of those trees. Oh my gosh, it's a wolf. What do you see first? Honestly, I saw a cat. Funny cat, angry bunny. How did you see an angry... Oh, wow. I can actually see an angry bunny, kind of. But yeah, funny cat, actually. How many white cars? I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8? Okay. Yeah, 8. How did they know that was one of them? Which animal can be seen in this picture? What animals are there? Monkey, parrot, crocodile. Okay. It's a parrot, guys. Oh my gosh. Look to the left. And it's like right on the right of that green part. Oh my gosh. It's a parrot. It's obvious. It's so obvious. Which animal could be seen in this picture? Well, what animals can I choose from? Leopard, lion, or a rabbit? I don't see a leopard. I don't see a lion. I don't even see a rabbit. I don't want to watch that right now. Baby, 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 baby. I think a rabbit probably. I think I saw a rabbit. Oh. Right in the middle. Over at the top in the middle. That is a squirrel. A squirrel. That is totally a squirrel, I think. Okay, I think I see it, but like, see a white and black thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to say I see a skunk. I saw a skunk. Can you find the cat hidden in this? Oh my gosh, where is it? There's a cat? How is there a cat in here? Yes, I found it. Let's test your instinct. If you were a lion, would you attack this lonely zebra surrounded by a wild beast herd? No. I'd go for the wild beast. They're bigger. Calculating results. I see like a cat. Thank you guys for watching and have an amazing time. Goodbye, everybody.